Greetings, Moodle users. Today we're going to show you how to insert a banner image or put something across the top of your Moodle page to kind of spruce it up a bit, rather than just having plain text there. So the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to find an image for the course. In this particular course, let's say it's a Psychology 101 course instead of just a test course. So the first thing we want to do is we want to find a image, and I'm going to go to Google right here, google.com, and up here in the top right I'm just going to click on images so I can do a search for images, and I'm just going to make the general search for psychology right here. And as you can see, there's a lot of interesting images here. Since we're using it in the classroom behind the password protected Moodle, we don't have to be too concerned about copyright usage. But if we were concerned about copyright usage, we would go up here simply. This is a great feature of Moodle, especially if you're going to be showing this as like on a website, if you have a blog or something and you wanted to use an image that would be in the public domain. You would simply go up here under Google Images under Tools, Usage Rights, and Label for Reuse or Label for Non-Commercial Use, Reuse. Some of these ask that you attribute who the image is from. But in this particular case, I'm just going to simply click on Label for Reuse right here. And I'm just going to look through some of these. I'm going to look at this one right here. If I hover my cursor over it, it tells you about how big the image is, 932 by 720 pixels. I'm going to click on this image right here. And then I'm just going to right-click on it and Save Image As. And there's the name. It's going into my Downloads folder right there. So now I'm going to go back to my Moodle course, and this top area here is where I want the banner. So I'm going to click on Edit, and then Edit Section. I could also put the course name right here, but it's also right up here. So what I'm going to do is just type in the course name, Psychology 101. I'm going to highlight it right here, and then I'm going to give it a different font. I'm going to just say, let's do Trebuchet, and I'm going to pick the largest one possible. I'm also going to come here and make it a color. I might change this color depending on the image that I use. And to get the image in here, there's this icon here. If your menu items look like this, just click on this icon to the left of the paragraph bar, and it'll expand. And you'll see this image here, image icon, insert image. And then, all right, in this here, in this box here, I'm going to click on Find or Upload an Image. I'm going to click on Upload an Image, choose File, click on my psychology image here. There it is. Upload this file. I'm going to give it an image description, meaning if someone that has accessibility issues, they would know what this is about. So this is like a brain cloud, brain word cloud would be more descriptive, and I'm going to insert that in. Notice how huge this is because it's 900 something pixels, but if I can expand this box here by pulling down. And if I click on this image here, for some reason it's not letting me click on it. Oh, there's the box. So if I put my cursor up here, I can click, hold, and drag it down until I get to a different size. I'm also going to make sure it's aligned left. That brings up my psychology word. Then I'm just going to hold Shift Return, try to get that toward the middle. So now I've kind of got it. I'm going to take a look at it here. Actually, what I might do here, see, this is more red than pink, so I might highlight this and make it either black or something closer to that red, more colors. Here's red. Is there a darker red? Yeah, there's a darker red there. Apply. Yeah, now it's looking a little bit more like this. So I'm going to click on Save Changes. And, you know, this line is actually not too bad. It gives a little separation between the image and Psychology 101, I might want to get a space here. Let me try to edit the section one more time. Space. Save changes. Yeah, that looks a little more comfortable. And if I knew how to edit this in Photoshop or something, I could remove that vertical line. But this just gives you an idea of how to insert it into the course to give your course a little more visual appeal.